San si Danny? Nasa GMA Gala. Hi, Jade De Leon. Ang takay naman ni Jade. May, hi. Hi, X-Chan Lee. Jade De Leon! Ang ganda naman masyado ng display photo natin. Tara, mukbang na. Hi, Isabel. O, yung slay ng video ni Danica. She's giving Audrey Hepburn. Bakit wala ka po sa gala? Because I'm not an artista. Hindi po ako lumipat ng condo. Oh my God, this weekend kaya? Ay, baka may filter. Ew. Paano tanggalin? Uy, paano tanggalin yung filter? Yun. Hi from Kenya. Hamid. Stacy. Next weekend. Next weekend. Nakakatawa. Ask me some questions, you guys. Oh, here she comes. Ask me interesting questions. Yung questions na kamusta heart mo? Single ka pa din? Yes, I'm still single. My heart is doing okay, really good. Like, I've just been focusing on myself. It's been, almost a year next month of my singlehood, and life is good. Lipstick. Actually, lip liner lang to ni Vice. Tapos, sobrang ganda nitong lip tint na to. Ang lala. As in. Teka. Kunin natin. Oh my gosh, guys. Gumawa na ako ng makeup tutorial for you guys. Yay! Panoorin nyo naman. Ha? Gumawa ako ng makeup tutorial for you guys. Nakaka-excite! Yeah. Ito, so maganda ng lip stain na to. Ang long-lasting niya, as in. Hello. Ang ganda. Sobrang mukha lang na to. It's in the shade Cinnamon. The best. Look at my baby doggy. Sino nalaglag sa hagdan kanina? Ikaw. Look at my baby doggy. Kailan ka balik sa YouTube? Pag may time. Hi from Masbate, Silverio Clan. Hi! Pa-shoutout po, Ray G. Perlas. Hi from Copenhagen. Wow! We're giving international. Your dream destination. My dream destination is Santorini. O Rio de Janeiro. South of Italy. Ano pa ba? Hindi ko na maalala yung iba. Pero okay na yung top 3. Ano shade ng lip liner? So, yung lip liner, it's a mix. It's a mix of itong si Kiss Is It, at saka si First Kiss, kasi Masyadong dark itong si Kizizit. Pero ang ganda niyang pang-line. Tapos itong si, ang ganda niyang pang-line, nakakalaki ng lips. Like, it's giving contoured lip. Tapos itong si First Kiss, ang ganda ng shade for your lip gradient. Just trust me. Yung lip tint, Everlasting Stain from, actually, Everlasting Stain in Cinnamon. My skincare, nag-skincare nga ako kanina, wala akong foundation right now. Ayan. Like, nag-lip tint lang talaga ako, tsaka kilay. Para sa live. Pero ayan o. Kita niyo yung skin ko. Wala yung, wala yung base. Ito yung skincare ko. Share ko na rin sa inyo. So, nag-experiment ako from time to time kasi usually I want the best product. Because So, usually I want the best product. So, nag-experiment ako from time to time ng products na I need for my skin. So, take what resonates. Hala, naging tarot card reading. But, yeah, these are just the skincare I'm using. Kayo na bahala. Teka lang. Kayo na bahala kung ano. Sorry, ayusin ko nga. Kayo na bahala kung anong gusto nyong bilhin. So, take what resonates. So, eto. First up is yung facial wash ko. Sobrang gusto ko yung, nandun sa taas, hindi ko na kukunin, yung Neutrogena Brightening na may niacinamide na facial wash. Sobrang gusto ko siya because hindi siya irritating sa skin, pero sobrang natatanggal niya yung dirt. Kasi pag naka-makeup ako, tamad na ako mag-makeup remover, yun na lang. Tapos parang ang linis lang ng face ko compared sa iba na non-stripping. Kasi yung usually pag yung non-stripping na iba, parang ang sebo. Yun, hindi. Gets nyo ba? Yung parang may film. Okay, so, first one is, ito yung toner ko. Rice Enzyme Protein Toner ng Flaskin. Recommendation to ni John Ray's Life. I also love, before ito, yung I'm From Rice Toner. I also love that. Trinay ko lang to just to see kung anong masusto ko. Kasi, ang difference nila is, ito, may protein extract. Para silang rice toner. So, doon ako sa parang mas more benefits. And mas less tacky, I would say. Pero I still love the other one. As in, like, hindi siya malagkit for me. Less lang to. Okay, next is, so, dalawa yung routine ko. For day, ngayon, nag-experiment din ako. And so far, I like it naman. Dati, ang ginagamit ko, ubos na. Yung glow serum ni Soul Apothecary. Pero nag-switch ako kasi parang hindi ako masyado nakakita ng difference. Parang hindi ganun kaganda yung vitamin C. So now, I'm using Jumisu All Day Vitamin and Brightening Facial Serum. So, ang purpose ng vitamin C is maganda kasi if yung skin natin may vitamin C, may antioxidant, parang lalo na sa morning kasi it helps with like yung mga sunspots, sun damage, and then sorry. It helps yung sunspots, sun damage, tapos parang napapalakas niya yung sunscreen. So, I love using this in the morning. And then, I'm also using this Frankly Closer Pore Reducing Serum. Wait lang, gusto ko i-crack yung momo. Ooh. Okay. So, itong Flaskin Closer Pore Reducing Serum kasi ang issues ko with my skin is dull, so perfect in vitamin C, normal to dry, tsaka pores. Yun yung issues ko with my skin. And dahil normal to dry ako, I'm more prone to aging than other skin types. Kasi diba, pag dry yung skin, mas prone to aging. So, yun yung mga focus ko sa skincare ko. So, helpful yung rice enzyme kasi nakaka-brighten ng skin. And since nag-retinol ako, okay siya to calm my skin from irritation. Anyway, so, eto nang balik na tayo dito sa serum. Ito yung Frankly Closer Pore Reducing Serum. Nakita ko kasi sa reviews na nakakaliit talaga siya ng pores. So far, so good naman. Ayun o, tinan mo, ang shiny. Walang pores. Okay. And then, my moisturizer. Medyo heavy yung moisturizer ko. But, I don't care because ang ganda ng moisturizer na to. And, ayoko ng sobrang daming products sa skincare routine. And meron akong night cream na. So, ito yung day cream ko. Ito yung Diopro Snail Galac Revital Cream. So, dati, ang ginagamit ko is yung COSRX na Snail Moisturizer. But, mas maganda to because meron tong Volupilly. So, yung Volupilly, para siyang Botox in a jar. Para siyang like, dati, meron akong mas prominent yung smile lines ko. Ngayon, mas less na siya. Ayan o, mas bouncy na. Because of the Volupilly. And if you search online sa TikTok, before and after ng Volupilly, nakaka-remove talaga siya ng fine lines. So, that's why I love this one. And then, yung sunscreen, yung eye cream ko, okay, sa eye cream, sa morning, hindi pa ako masyado happy sa experiment ko. And I'm being completely honest with you guys. So, nagtatry ako ng iba't ibang eye cream right now. And I'll let you know. So far, ang tinatry ko is itong You Advance. Ito pa pala skin concern ko, dark under eyes. So, itong You, itong K-Cutic, itong caffeine ng Ordinary. Nagtatry pa lang ako so I can't really say anything now. I do love this caffeine. Effective to, sobra. Pero, na may copper peptide. Ito. Hindi pala ito. Sorry, ito. I do like this caffeine. Pero kasi nakukulangan ako sa kanya na parang caffeine lang siya. Like, I want more benefits. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ayoko na masyadong maraming steps sa skincare routine ko. So, I'm trying this one kasi may caffeine to, tas may niacinamide, tas may plantide, parang peptide na organic. Tas ito naman isa, vitamin K siya. So, ang vitamin K, if alam niyo yung Arnica cream, ito, pang mga bruise siya. So, yung under eyes, di ba, parang ka-color na ng bruises natin. So, ito, nakaka-help siya with dark under eyes, with vitamin C, with vitamin E, but I'm still testing them out. So, I don't know yet. Ang daming sinabi sa I don't know yet. And ito, sobrang favorite ko tong sunscreen na to. Itong dalawa. Like, sobrang ganda lang talaga nila. Ito, parang feel ko, sobrang parang, ito kasi, ang gusto ko dito ang gusto ko sa kanila, sobrang lightweight. It's like you're not wearing sunscreen, serum lang siya, natutuyo, parang water, tas parang wala na later. So yun, I love them. Ito kasi mas affordable. Ito naman, I just feel more protected with this one kasi snail white siya. Pero I love these two. Anyway, that's my day. And then, doon na tayo sa night. So, same tayo sa night. Yung facial wash ko, same lang. But, parang gusto kong mag-check ng another facial wash for night. Tapos yung toner ko, ito pa din, rice toner. Pero parang gusto kong matry yung COSRX Propolis. Kasi parang nakikita ko sa reviews, ang ganda ng Propolis na toner. Ang dami kong skincare, no? Kasi kapag nag-skincare ako, so like, nag-research talaga ako. Kaya perfect talaga ako na mag-review eh. Kasi nag-research ako for you guys and for myself. But anyway, so ito ulit. Pero gusto ko, baka palitan ko yung toner ko for day. Gawin kong propolis. Kasi I really love, sobrang na in love ako dun sa Beauty by Johnson na glow serum. If nakita niyo yun, sobrang naging famous yun. Tapos, meron siyang niacinamide and propolis. Tapos, sobrang glowy ng skin ko dun. As in, sobrang glowy ng skin ko dun. Pero kailangan ko siyang palitan because meron akong isang niacinamide na mas nagustuhan, which is ito. Ito na yung next step. So, ito yung toner ko at night, and then ito na. Si Radiance Boost Serum ng Soul Apothecary. Sobrang gusto ko to. And natalo niya yung Beauty by Johnson Glow Serum ko na sobrang famous sa Korea. And mas mura to. Kaya ko siya nagustuhan kasi may niacinamide siya. Good for pores, good for brightening, anti-acne, and the reason siguro kaya hindi ako nagkaka-acne talaga, as in like maalaga ako sa skin. Maalaga ako sa skincare. Ayan guys, walang foundation to oh. Kita nyo. Oh, anyway. Anyway, so, yung gusto ko dito, meron siyang niacinamide and tranexamic acid. Yun yung parang pinaka stand out for me is yung tranexamic acid. It acts like retinol and vitamin C. Like, lahat ng benefits na makukuha mo kay retinol and vitamin C. May pang anti-aging, may brightening, anti-acne, without purging. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko kay tranexamic acid. So, I'm sorry, Glow Serum by Beauty of Johnson, napalitan ka na. Ligwak ka na. Anyway, after that, nag-moisturizer agad ako. And ito, sobrang OG. Hindi ko na napalitan to as in not grade. Parang high school pa lang ako. Ito na yung moisturizer ko. But it's so good that I can't replace it. I just can't. So, ito yung The Body Shop Vitamin E Night Cream. Sobrang ganda na may vitamin E ka sa skincare mo. Like, people don't talk about that. They're all talking about vitamin C and peptides, but they have to also talk about how good vitamin E is on your skin and why it is better to apply it topically than like taking it orally is because like when we intake too much vitamin E in our system, it's bad for our liver, and like putting vitamin E on your skin is like nakaka-healthy ng skin, nakaka-repair ng skin. It's just an overall good and very hydrating moisturizer. Medyo heavy to kaya night. Although alam ko may different types siya. Yung night yung kinuha ko. Merong day cream, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I haven't tried that. Pwede ko namang gawing bilhin yung day cream. Tapos pagpalitin sila. Kasi medyo pang night naman ata talaga to. Pero, yeah, I just love this, the night cream. Natatakot kasi ako na baka yung day cream hindi as moisturizing. Kasi, moisturizing nito. I love this. Okay, and then after that, I alternate. So, alternate. Kasi hindi ako pwedeng retinol every night. So, sometimes, nag-good molecules ako. And then, sometimes, nagba-buffet copper peptide ako. Sobrang ganda nito. As in, Kim Kardashian uses the buffet ng The Ordinary for a reason. And it's so affordable than like La Mer or like any other, very, like for the products for the ingredients na nandito, i-search nyo na lang. Pero, it's so good that we have peptides, like, if you follow Hailey Bieber, her skin is so good, and her secret in her skincare is peptides. That's why the Rhode skincare line is full of peptides. And then, yeah, ang dami talagang benefits na ito. Ginagamit ni Kim Kardashian to. So, in Kim K, we trust. And then, alternate to. And then, kapag ito yung ginagamit ko, nagsa-sandwich method ako. Ito. Kaya hindi ako nag-purge. Pinapatungan ko na ito. Kasi nga, maganda yung retinol with snail na moisturizer. And then, ito yung eye cream ko. It's retinol, Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum, Ginseng. So, ayun. Yun na yung buong nighttime skincare routine ko. Pwede din tayo mag-body care. Yeah. Ano pa ba? As for lip treatment. Ito, I use this. I love this. Yung Vaseline. Actually, honestly, hindi nyo kailangan bumili ng Vaseline. But I also use petroleum jelly. Yung Apollo. Yung sobrang mura lang sa Mercury. Yeah, I also use that. Basta anything petroleum jelly, itong Vaseline lip care, I love it because the reason kung paano napatunayan ko na petroleum jelly is all you need for your lips is because dati meron akong windburn dito at saka dito. Like, mukha akong may sakit. Alam niyo yung sakit na nagkakaroon ng mga blister dito. Tapos, it just looks so ugly. And I did try Lucas Papaw. I tried yung Vaseline na lip balm. But, I even tried parang binigyan pa nga ako ng doctor ko ng protein ointment. Hindi yung effect. Ang nag-effect lang is, petroleum jelly. Kaya yun, sabi ko, walang kwenta yung mga hina-hype up nila na Lucas Papaw and all of that. Kasi like, it wasn't effective on me. But I do wanna try lanolin. So, lanolin is an ingredient for your nipples. And apparently, it's moisturizing. It's also good for your lips. So, I wanna try Lanolips. Kasi meron silang tinted. So, para ito yung night ko. Tapos yung lanolin yung day ko. May tinted lip treatment ako. Yun lang. Ang daming sinabi. Hala. Okay. Saan pwede makabili ng staple shirt here in BGC? I can deliver it to you. Ang ganda ng bestie mo sa gala. Yeah, she's so giving. Hi, Dakams. Hi, Kardashian. Hi, M-Joy. Kardashian M-Joy. Bakit naman kasi ganun yung handle? Sunscreen Reco for beach trips. Honestly, okay, sige. Sunscreen Reco for beach trips. Ito pa rin ginagamit ko. Ang ganda lang talaga niya eh. Like, ang lagkit kasi sa beach mag-sunscreen. I hate it. And then, I also love the Keratin. The Keratin tanning oil. Oh my God, ang bango. But, for body, oh my gosh, ito pala, for body. Kasi diba na tumira ako sa Siargao. Kasi if mananotice nyo, hindi ako masyadong umiitim. Meron akong ginagamit, sobrang mura lang niya. Korean brand siya. Parang 200 pesos lang siya. For face talaga siya. Parang 3CE ba yun? Basta something CW. Color gold. Wala siya dito eh. Nasa Shopee lang siya. Tapos sobrang effective niya for body. Gusto ko siya eh. Lasing ka ba? No. Why are you saying that? Hi, Tenchu Michelangelo. What's your zodiac? Guess. Okay, can anyone guess my zodiac sign below? Thank you, Simply Cat. Super pretty, Shanika. Thank you, Raya Texu. So pretty. Hi, Shireen. I wonder why you're glowing today. Why am I glowing today? Why? Guys, I've joined the bandwagon. Naka-clusters ako and I'm loving it. I'm living for it. As in, it's so easy. And you can just remove it. Because sometimes, like, naangkatan ng mata ko, ayoko na mag-eyelash extensions but nakakaganda siya. Pero, yeah. I'm part of the Clusters gang. Hi, Kid Lambert. Ano name ng lip tint? Hi, Serrano Jojo. Hi, Eunice the Bully. Ang ganda. Hi, Reggie Perlas. Thank you. Ang ganyan na naman po, idol. Chichachu. I'm a fan. You're so gorge. Thank you. What's your skincare po? Ayan na. Nasagot ko na lahat ng inyong katanungan. Yes, I'm an Aries. You are correct. Is it obvious? Am I giving very obvious Aries energy? She looks like Lana Del Rey. Parang hindi naman. Do you do Botox? You're pretty. Gusto ko nga eh. Ayun o. Gusto ko. Parang gusto ko. Banat. Parang kailangan ko na. Baka magpa-Botox ako. Get on fire. Hi! Hey, girl! Dami nangyari kagabi. Sige, yun lang, guys. Thank you for joining my live. Have you tried any facial treatments? Yes, of course. Thanks for joining my live. Bye.